and wild areas. Oh, do blow your nose properly, aye.
Oh, dear.
Good. The Pyrenees, with their considerable altitude change and variation in climate, have fascinating and diverse animal groups, and... Oh, for goodness sake, aye.
Do we really have to finish getting rid of the bats tonight?
The boss is away, and we've already got 53 rooms to ourselves. So why do we have to bother cleaning the right wing?
And I bet those hairy animals have left the area by now anyway.
Bless you.
What for?
I wish you'd warned me there was all this hay around. You know I get hay fever.